EveryDrop by Whirlpool Refrigerator Water Filter 2, pack of 1. Packaging may vary. EveryDrop Filter 2 is the only filter approved by Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, and JennAir brands. Certified to reduce 99% of lead, offering superior contaminant reduction for you and your family. Reduces 24 contaminants including lead, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and waterborne parasites. NSF 401, 53 and 42 certified. Offers clean, fresh-tasting water. Replaces 1,500 water bottles. Used in bottom freezer refrigerators. Filter compartment is in the top right corner. For the cleanest water, replace your filter every 6 months to maximize contaminant reduction. The only genuine replacement for model number W10413645 and a SIN B00ANL7Q6M. Packaging may vary. Certified to fit these leading refrigerator brands: Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, JennAir and Amana. Replaces model number W10413645A used in bottom freezer refrigerators. Filter compartment is in the top right corner. Replace filter every 6 months or 200 gallons to maximize contaminant reduction. Replaces a SIN B00ANL7Q6 meters. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.